You're watching Makayla's Playground, and today I'm going to get my ears pierced today. It's my first time.
We're going to take you along to Makayla's first ear piercing.
Yay!
Yay! There we go. There you go.
Okay, guys, I need to walk downstairs, and
Watch, hold on.
You remember, this is my first time getting my ears pierced. I know I have a YouTube channel, but I didn't got a YouTube channel on yet getting my ears pierced. So
Let me see your feet, love.
I need to go really, really soon. I don't want to be late for my appointment. Bye.
See you soon at the mall.
Don't forget to like
and
subscribe. If you want to watch any more, you can click this or this. Come on, just choose one before it dies out of battery. Bye. Goodbye, friend.
Makayla,
What?
how are you feeling?
Good.
Are you nervous? A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
You know it's gonna hurt just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
And that's okay?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, so we just got to the mall.
Yeah.
Here's your umbrella. So are you excited?
Yeah.
You told me you're a little nervous. It's okay. I'll hold your hand.
And it says exit right here.
Okay. Ready to do this?
Yeah.
High five.
So what we're doing?
Tell me.
Kids, I'm so excited. I'm really ready now, and I cannot cry.
It's okay if you do.
So excited.
Okay. And you pick out your earrings.
Yay!
Okay. Let's go.
So cute.
So you want to get your ears together?
Will it hurt a little or a lot?
A little, honey. It's super easy. All the little girls come here because it's fast, it doesn't hurt.
Okay, show mom again. Which ones did you pick out?
So I only have the size 6. This
Okay.
might be a little too big.
They're too big, yeah.
The little
I want the pink one.
The pink October
Oh,
one.
those ones are really cute. I do.
Those
That's
are
a
cute.
good one.
You like those? Okay.
Pink October.
Okay.
So
Okay. I just finished filling out the paperwork and now we're waiting. Here.
so cute. Yeah, you totally do it like that, huh?
Okay. Oh.
Okay, guys.
I love her so much character.
Thank you.
So fun.
Thank you.
So all you have to do is just look straight for me. This is just gonna clean it.
Like I'll say happy baby.
Yep.
Just like that.
Like a big.
But listen, the most important part is you have to stay still, okay?
So right now, honey, I'm just gonna take a marker. This is just gonna draw a dot like this. Okay? And all you have to do is just look straight, okay?
Just to see where it's gonna go.
They feel really funny on it.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Can you look at my nose? For this part, all you have to do is look straight for me, okay?
Okay.
And just stay still. I'm gonna do this side. Yeah, I'm gonna do this side, and then this side you'll be done in 2 seconds. Just like that.
So she does this side, I'll hold this hand, and when she goes to the other side, I'll hold the other
And
hand,
you
okay?
want those pink ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you right afterwards. Yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
All right, honey. I'll go to the side first, okay? Just look straight for me.
Want to hold mom's hand or no? Don't move, okay?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's it. You're done. One more.
Hold on, hold on. Let me go on this side. Don't move.
2, 3. You're done. That's
All done.
it. I know it hurts a little, but
All
we'll
done.
I know. Do you see it? How sparkly. Yes.
You did it, love.
I know they sparkle. I know it hurts a little. It'll go away in 10 minutes. Promise. Okay?
It'll feel
That was scary. Yana,
Yes.
after I'm go show my grandma and grandpa that I really got my ears.
They don't even know we're here. We're gonna surprise them.
Oh my gosh, after this?
That wasn't
Okay.
bad at
Yeah.
all.
Okay.
So she needs to wear an earring all day.
My love bug.
Yep, 6
You have to always.
Oh, she's so happy about it.
High five. You did amazing.
I didn't even.
You did? I have lollipops here for you.
Wow. Here, I have lollipops at home
You
too.
do?
I have a lot, but it was from Halloween.
Oh, Halloween. Yes, I love Halloween.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, big girl, how do you feel?
Good.
Okay, Makayla, how was the experience?
Good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You like the way they look?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it hurt? No. You're just a little scared, huh? You were so brave. I'm so proud of you.
I told you.
You told me. I know. I didn't believe you.
You have to believe me next time.
Okay, so can you say bye?
Thank you for watching the amazing Ear Pierce Makayla video. Bye.